How to start page numbering of a file of Word written in Word from any number, not from 1, from 100, from 13, from 31, from 1013 كده. Okay, let's go and know how to do this. This written file we will insert, and then here page number, and from page number format page number, and from here start from, I would like to start from 19, and then okay. So this is the page number 19, page number 19, or I like to use instead of 19, 18. So here we have 18, and then next we have 19, then 20, and then 21. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every new video upload and important video upload, and please like and share it with others. Thanks for watching the video.